It's a little windy today, so sorry about the wind noise. We got another recovery and we're headed out to it. This one's in Starvation Canyon, I think. Kind of by Skyline Drive, just off Spanish Fork Highway 6. We don't know what we're getting into. We think it's a Toyota Tacoma with a broken ball joint, but...
Or CV axle or something's broke anyway, but yeah. You said the tire was leaning?
Well, he said it looks like the CV axle slid out. So I'm thinking
it's gonna have some issues.
We'll see. We'll see when we get there. We brought the blue diesel, and since we're taking the rollback, in case we need to lift this thing out of there, we brought the giveaway Montero. You guys can see how it kind of does off-road and in you know, nature and in action. So.
And it's a nice ride if we need to bring the customer and his son out and take him home.
Yeah, customer has a 4-year-old son that he's up there stuck with, so this would be a comfortable ride for him to come out.
There's not enough room in the blue diesel and the rollback, so
yeah.
Brought this.
We haven't put the back seat back in the blue diesel, so okay. Enjoy the ride. Well, we unloaded the Montero. I forgot to film it. We're on Starvation Canyon Road, and we got at least a couple miles to go. I didn't look at the GPS real close yet.
7 miles is what it says.
So 7 miles. Ben's getting his snow boots on.
Usually I wait, and then we're there, and then we just jump out and do the recovery because I don't want to take the time to put them on. So I'm doing it now, before we head over there.
I got snow boots in the truck, but I always wear boots, so I'll probably be fine.
I'm just wearing slippers.
If you ever get the chance to come visit Starvation Canyon, you should do it. It's a very, very pretty drive. It's a fun road. The snow makes it a little more challenging, but you know, in the summertime when it's just a dirt road, it's not challenging. Any 4-wheel drive will be happy to do it.
Snow right here. Nice fresh snow. It is very dry, soft, powdery snow though.
It's twice as deep right here and we just got started.
It's crazy. I might have to stop and put it in 4-wheel drive.
That was nice and easy.
Yeah, lower ball joint came off and it pulled everything apart. Yeah, it pulled the CV axle apart. Hopefully it didn't rip the tie rod off. And looks like the brake line's still connected. Upper ball joint's still connected, so when we pick it up, it'll just hang and dangle in place.
Bunch of parts are.
A few parts, yeah. See how stout this trailer hits now.
Yeah, kind of hobby rider, so we'll see. Put it to the test.
So you were up hunting?
Yes, sir. Checked the trails and on my way back, and it just broke. Didn't hit a bump or nothing. It just something just came out on it.
Yeah, when the ball joints on these get really loose, they do come apart.
There's not a lot welding this on to the frame.
So yeah, we kind of assumed we weren't going to be able to lift from that.
Yeah.
Toyotas do have factory tow hooks, but they're back from the bumper a little bit, and they put a lot of stress on the plastic part of the bumper.
Yeah.
Normally, we don't have any damage from it, but I would probably have to have you give us consent to make sure that you understand that there could be a little bumper damage slinging it out of here.
Yeah,
the other option is we do have a sling on the truck, but it broke on a previous recovery. We could just take you and your boy out and the dogs and then come back for it with the sling, because I think with the sling under the trailer hitch there won't be any bumper damage.
So
But there is a decent chance that there won't be any bumper damage just slinging it out now.
this has a bar that's welded across from the outside of the frame to the outside of the frame that's right behind this.
Yeah,
So
that's
if
what I'm
it's,
saying. We could put the sling against
well,
that.
if we just make a sling out of some super loops, they'll come in under it and it won't put nearly as much pressure on the plastic.
Yeah.
So it'll really help minimize if there is any damage.
I mean, this thing's kind of a beater anyways.
We just have to get your consent.
Yeah, that's totally fine.
Okay. I make it sound worse than it is so you understand, but reality, we haven't damaged a bumper yet. Well, there was that 4Runner that was bone stock and there was like a little tiny wrinkle in the bumper. Couldn't even hardly tell. The guy didn't care at all.
Yeah, I'm not worried about it at all.
But
Okay.
that's also an excuse to upgrade to a winch pumper. So
Heck yeah. All right, well, I'll get turned around.
keep coming back about another 3 feet. Right there, that's good. If we put a super loop on each side and then one, maybe even a regular one, it might be just the right distance.
Okay, do we want to grab a strap or something and tie that side together?
The upper ball joint's still connected, so I think it'll keep it in place and just let it hang. Just have to go up a little bit. Right about there should be good. Yeah.
There's some dips that we got to go through.
Damage out. That's what I'm gonna be fixing later.
So far, it looks like lower ball joint and CV axle from what I can see.
Should pack the snow in there pretty good.
Yeah, it did.
Oh, you didn't even have to go through your little one.
No, yeah, I
You
cheated.
had a hook.
Yep. I've had to go through those before, and they don't. Soft shackles don't like going through this side that has the double hook. So
I don't like going through the other side either.
no. A hair further. There we go. There we go. This in here.
Yeah, that's good. What do you think?
Yeah, that's good. Okay, I'll hop in this if you want to take them in the Montero.
We probably don't need anybody in this, Ben, if you don't want to.
Well, in case just need to hit the brake
hey,
so it
puppies.
doesn't swing forward
Hey,
too
puppies.
much.